Oh my God. Look how full. All right, everybody. Gus Leak Detective. And what's that, you might be asking? Is it just a natural spot in the yard? No. It's the cap covering. It's coming. Hang in there. Oh my God. Look how full that is. Yeah, we're having a few drainage problems. If you can't figure out where your underground drain line discharges, give me a call, 402-309-3911. You caught that live. Look at all that stuff. That's crazy. All right, part 2 of the video, Gus Leak Detective. I'm right here, the man behind the camera. So we're gonna perform a little drain pipe surgery here. I can't even get in there. I think I'm gonna film this. I can't do both at the same time, guys. Oh my God, that's cold. All right, I swear there's a pipe here somewhere. I might have to shut the camera off. I wonder how deep this sucker's clogged. I have no idea. There's the cover. Look at the dirt that was in it. Isn't this fun? That could make for a nice plant inside.